What's up guys, my name is Brian and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new dance tutorial for you. The title of the song is called Aquarius by Tinashe. Alright, so let's start. Alright, let's start from the beginning. So close your feet together. We're gonna clean it now, alright? Ready? Start from the back. 1, 2, then cross 3, 4, releve up on 5, 6, down 7, and 8. Alright? One more time. 5, 6, 7, shoulder back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good job. Next, gonna go 1, 2. Don't close on 2. Cross 3, chest 4. This is 5. Down on 6, 7. Pose 8. Any pose you like. All right. One more time. So 7 and 8. Here we go. 1, 2, and 3. Chest 4. Hips down, close, pose. Let's combine 1 and second. 5, 6, 7, back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lift, 6, hips. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. Next, from here, 2 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 and 4 you need to sharp turn. 7 and 1, pose, 2, pose. Then you're gonna go 5, drop on 6, look on 7, rush on 8. One more time. So 5, 6 from your pose, 6, 7 and close, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's combine 3, 8. First, second, and third. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Chest. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. Next. Very slow. Hip. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fast. 5, 6. Then brush. 7 and 8. All right. From here. One more time. 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Jingle bells, jingle bells. What's here? 5. Don't worry, okay. Alright, one more time. From here. What's the last pose? 5, 6, 7, and again. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Quick. 5, 6, brush. 7 and 8. Alright, next. Down first. 1, look back, and back on 2. That's quick. 7 and 1 and 2. Again, falling down. Again, 7, 8, 1 and 2. Then jump 3, down on 4, shoulder on 5, 6, 7, drop and look 8. One more time from here. 6, 7, and 1 and 2. Jump 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7. Look 8. Good job. This one is the easiest one. Freestyle. 1, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You need to open on 8. All right. Then close. 1, 2, walk 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, until 1 kilometer. Alright. Good job. Let's try from the beginning. Here we go. Are you ready? Come on. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, chest, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 3, 4, you want it? 6, 7, 8, slow. 3, 4, quick, rush, and 1 and up. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Freestyle. 2, 3, 4. My freestyle is so easy. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good job. Thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you like that video. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, and like my videos, okay? Bye-bye. Happy Halloween.